Hello everyone. Today we will make this beautiful hairband. So let's start. We will need old rubber bands and old t-shirts. OMG beautiful color combo. Let's cut them. First cut this folded thick band. Then cut 2 stripes from each t-shirts. Pull it well to make a long lace. Do the same with another color stripe. And keep remaining 2 odd color stripes aside, we will need them later. Now cut these laces into 2. Place one set like this. Then cross it. Do the same with another set. Place it right on the top of first one. Pay attention, this is a very tricky part. Wow, I'm done. Now just pull it carefully. This is how it should look. Let's cut the excess. Now take the 2 stripes and place them like this. Stitch 2 parallel lines like shown. Leave this part open for rubber band. I did it. Now we have to switch it to outer side. For that we will need a safety pin. Cut your rubber band and put it inside the stripe with the help of safety pin. Now here you don't want this end of rubber band to get lost inside. So secure it with a safety pin. After you're done with this, also secure the another end. Now take stitches only on one side with rubber band just like this. Now we will put these laces inside. Be very careful with this part. Make sure laces do not get twisted. Now take stitches over here. Do the same on the other side. Make 2-3 rounds of stitches to secure it. I'm done. It is looking so beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.